Hi! In front of me is HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down, click on Vibration and Haptics, and tap on the gray switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to activate them. If you wish to switch them off, select the same No Blue switcher. If you decided to switch them on though, you can also manage all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch on or off haptic feedback for them, like ring vibration, incoming notification ones, and even touch feedback. When you finished, go back, scroll all the way down, and tap on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!